Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute Martenitsa. For this project I'll be using an acrylic yarn, and for this I'll be using a 2.25mm crochet hook. The first step for this project is making a magic ring. And next we're going to do single crochets. So we're going to do 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. From here, I'm going to tighten the magic ring, and then I will connect to the very first single crochet with a slip stitch. Next, we'll begin round 1 by doing 1 chain. From here, we're going to increase. So what that means is instead of doing a single crochet in the very first stitch, I will make 2 single crochets in that very first stitch. So here's the first one. And here's my second one. And I'll do that all the way around. So at the end, I should have a total of 12 single crochets. So that was 2. Here's 2 more in the next stitch. So that's 4. That was 2 more in the next stitch, so that's 6. Eight. 2 more in the next stitch. That's 10. And 2 more in the last stitch, and that's 12. From here, I will be connecting to the very first single crochet with a slip stitch. And this is where we are right now. Round 3, we're going to do a 1 chain. Then we will do 1 single crochet in the first stitch and then increase. So that's 2 single crochets into the next stitch. 1, then I will do 1 more in the same stitch. Okay, so now we have 3 single crochets so far, 1 in the first stitch, 2 in the second stitch. Back to 1 single crochet in the following stitch, and then again we increase 2 single crochets into the next stitch. And again 1 single crochet in the following stitch, then 2 single crochets in the following stitch. And then we'll keep going all the way around until we get to the other side. So once we get to the last stitch, we're going to connect again to the very first one with a slip stitch. And something feels like it's pulling, so I'm just going to redo that one. Yep, I caught an extra. There we go. That's easy. All right, so this is where we are. This was round 3, and for the next 4 rounds, so rounds 4, 5, 6, and 7, we're going to do 1 chain and then crochet just 1 single crochet all the way around. So this is for the next 4 rounds. So this part I will continue to do, and I'll speed it up a little bit, and then I'll meet you after you complete round 7. So again, for the next 4 rounds, we're just going to go 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All right, so I completed round 7. From here, we're going to do 1 chain again. And then we are going to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch, followed by decrease. So for the decrease, I will crochet 2 stitches at once. So the way I'm going to do it in this particular case is I'm just going to insert the hook into the top of the first stitch and then the second stitch. For the second stitch, I'm going through the front like this, grab the yarn and then pull through both, and then single crochet. Then again, single crochet in the next stitch, and then decrease by crocheting 2 stitches together. So I will go from the top of the first, then from the front on the second, grab the yarn and pull through both, and then single crochet. Again, same thing with the next one, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then decrease. So go from the top of the first, front of the second, grab the yarn, pull through the first and the second stitch until you have 2 loops on the hook, and then single crochet those 2 together. Again, single crochet, then decrease. So 1, 2 stitches together. And then I'll just keep going like that all the way around. There you go. So the next one is from the top and front of the next one, pull through both. Oops. Until I have 2 loops on the hook, and again single crochet, then a single crochet in the following, And now what we're going to do is just slip stitch into the very first. Okay, so we're starting to form this little ball, and this is the point where I want to stuff it in. So what I normally use is just a simple pillow stuffing. So you just take that, stuff it in there, see how much you can fit. Okay, once it's well stuffed, I'm going to continue crocheting and reducing. So again, we're going to start, I'm going to hold it with my middle finger like this. I'm going to make a single crochet in the first stitch, and then again grab the next two together, and then single crochet those two, and again single crochet in the next stitch, and then reduce. I'll insert the hook in the first from the top. It's a little bit harder now towards the end to do it with the crochet hook. To finish off this little ball, you can also use a crochet needle. So you can just pull this yarn out, cut it, and then thread the yarn into the needle. And then you can just start sewing all the way around. And as you can see, the top is now closed. From here, I'll simply hide the thread. Don't pull too hard, otherwise it will collapse and it will look more like an apple. And there. You can cut the yarn. And now you have this little ball. Now all is left here is to make twisted red and white yarn, which I show you how to do that in another video. I will link to it down below, and simply attach it to the top of each ball. You can place this on your clothes or on your bag or purse as a cute Baba Marta decoration. These balls also make a really good cat toy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.